Would you like to know how to turn your operational, tactical, and strategic data into action? Or how to improve your maintenance using real-time data? Ultimo Enterprise Asset Management and Axians Maestro are joining forces, which opens up the opportunity for proactive asset management, with automation and digitization making the difference. We call it Smart Asset Management. In Smart Asset Management, we focus on data and provide automatic coordination between processes. Unnecessary manual operations are a thing of the past. The data forms a solid foundation on which to base your decisions, ensuring that you make the right ones. With the detection settings adjusted to a certain margin, range, or other predetermined KPI, Ultimo can generate an alert for any deviation. All the information on that deviation and other asset data is available immediately, instantly showing what action is required. This increases your productivity and effectiveness. Another advantage of real-time data is the opportunity to take the first steps towards predictive maintenance. With predefined KPIs, systems can detect the need for maintenance at an early stage. This allows you to work more efficiently and make the necessary preparations in time, ensuring that parts or other resources are available when needed. Make your asset management smarter by combining Ultimo and Maestro. It will increase your efficiency and productivity. The smart algorithms will prepare you for any upcoming maintenance, and it is always based on facts and data. Visit the Ultimo marketplace and see for yourself how the combination of Ultimo and Maestro can help you achieve smart asset management.